Leave Management Module. Now I will explain the Leave Management Module in the ERP system. Before using this module, we must ensure that faculty details are already uploaded into the ERP system, as leave management is applicable for faculty members. Leave types setup. First, we go to the type of leave screen. Here we select the academic year. Define different leave types such as casual leave, sick leave, etc. Leave configuration options. While creating leave types, we have some important options. Carried forward. If enabled, unused leaves will be carried forward to the next month or period. Group by. If enabled, multiple leave types can be grouped together, allowing users to use any leave within that group. Applying leave. Next, we move to the Apply Leave screen. Here, faculty can apply for leave. When a leave is applied, the class schedule will be displayed. A backup faculty must be assigned for handling those classes. The leave approval process follows a structured workflow. Backup faculty approval. The assigned backup faculty reviews and approves the leave. Hold approval. After backup approval, the request moves to the head of department. Principal approval. Finally, the leave request is sent to the principal for approval. Once all approvals are completed, the leave will be successfully approved and recorded in the system. If the leave is rejected at any stage, the request will be cancelled. This completes the leave management module, including leave setup, application, and approval workflow. Thank you.